Kits are a great way to create a lean, custom version of Font Awesome tailored to your project. But what if you want complete control over how to serve your Font Awesome kit? Downloading your kit is super easy if you're looking to use icons in your desktop apps or self-hosted projects. To start, open the kit you'd like to download. To see what icons you've selected to be part of your kit, click the Icons tab. Here you can see you've created a custom subset of 20 icons spread across 5 different styles. You even have 3 custom uploaded icons. If your kit contains a lot of icons or styles, this may lead to longer wait times and possible timeouts for larger kits. To reduce that risk, you can select Manage Subsetting. But for now, click the Download tab. You can see that we have 2 options available when it comes to downloads: web files for use on any self-hosted web projects, and desktop files for use in your desktop design and Office apps. Included for self-hosting are web fonts plus CSS framework, SVG plus JS framework, Sass files, as well as SVG files and sprites. Included for desktop use are several OTF and SVG files. Remember, your kit download will only include the icons or styles you selected to include in your subset. If you change your subset, you'll need to download again and update the files in your projects or apps. Now, click the download button for the version you need, and voila! You're ready to use your Font Awesome kit's icons in your project. See? That was super easy, and now it's your turn to go make something awesome.